In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact customer support on Tango Live. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best and fastest way to do this is to open up your web browser, go to Google, and then type in PIS Consumer. So basically, we need to head on over to pisconsumer.com. This site is great to reach hard to find customer support emails, etc., phone numbers. So once you're inside of here, you want to click on the search bar and then type in Tango Live. Basically, we need to click on the Tango Me. So yeah, either type in Tango Live or Tango Me, then scroll down, and we've got the tab here for contacts. And then you might get an ad, just skip out of that, scroll down again, and now we've got a few customer service numbers we can call. So we can got this number here, call customer service. We can send them a message, got another number here. So any contact details about Tango Live is going to be on this page here. So yeah, check them all out. Click on more phone numbers and emails to get in touch with. You can even see like reviews from other people and what they've said.